Welcome back to another detailing video, guys. As you guys can see, this is a Corvette Z06. It came in for a full detail and polish. Right now in the shade, it looks like there's not many imperfections, but I started early, so I couldn't get it out in the sun really good, so I couldn't really show you guys the imperfections, but the hood was pretty bad. The process I used on this car was a Lake Country foam pad, orange foam pad, and the product that I used, the compound, was 3D1, and this was the best combination for this car. I'm also using my Max Shine M15 polisher. I didn't use my Adams Mini Swirl Killer on this car. So check out the imperfections on the paint with the flex light, and then look, that's the area that I started polishing, and so much better, a lot less imperfections. I really wanted to focus on making a good video for this car, specifically because the polish I knew was gonna turn out really good, but I didn't know that I was gonna be busy today. So as you guys can see to the right of me, I have a Kia Soul that we were working on, well, my brother and my nephew were, and outside they're also working on a Maserati. So it was a busy day. I really didn't have time to just focus on one car. I still had to go back and forth to check on the details. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Chevy paint. Basically, the clear coat on Chevy is very tough to cut, correct, and to basically make it better. It takes a lot of time and a lot of just passes. But on this Corvette, I don't know if it's been freshly painted before or what, but the paint was actually very soft and it was actually very easy to correct. I was actually very surprised with the way the paint felt. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my biggest fear when it came to polishing was polishing fiberglass. As you guys know, or if you don't know, fiberglass can burn a lot quicker. I started polishing this car around 9:30 a.m. and I got done around 12:30. So it took me a couple hours to get it done, but I think it was well worth it. Alright guys, so keep in mind this Corvette Z06 is a 2001. So just look at how good the paint looks after the polish. I mean, this car looks a lot better than newer cars, believe me when I tell you that. Once again, I'm not a fan of black paint job on a car. Doesn't matter what car it is. But after a polish, black always looks the best. That's just facts. Alright guys, now enjoy the sound of all the bald eagles under that hood. American muscle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share,